welcome back to Custom Tom. It's New Year's Day, so Happy New Year everyone. I just can't go around my mum, she's got COVID and it's her birthday, so can't go around there. That's enough of that. I haven't got it tested negative, so today anyway, I'm going to take everything off now, off the rest of the frame. I'm going to be cleaning it all using some of my degreaser. I'll try 2 different degreasers, see which is best, and then I'll jet wash everything. Not all the fairings and stuff, that they're all pretty clean anyway. I'll probably do them in the sink, like the smaller bits. Yeah, so that's basically all the episode today, is taking the rest off and sorting it out. So enjoy! Oh, right. Everything's cleaned up that I wanted to clean up. Engine came out a lot better than I thought it would do. Frame, swing arm as expected. Obviously I didn't paint the inside of the frame because the engine was still in, and I didn't like it, hence why I'm taking the engine out this time. Get it all powder coated, that stuff. I'm going to use 2K silver on this engine. It's same, hopefully it's same colour. Hopefully not as not dead shiny. I like how it is now, the stock look. As for the covers, I can get them painted whenever, wherever, whenever. But I'll try my best to get some matching paint for that. It might go black, I don't know yet. So that's on cards. I'll get all new hardware. I do need to do the valve clearances, so that'll be one of the next jobs. Along with some cleaning, polishing the pipes, dismantling some of this stuff up, trying to fix these headlights or ordering new ones, don't know yet. Stickers up, all not dead boring jobs, but some of them are dead boring jobs until I get everything back from powder coating and parts start coming in, which I haven't yet to order. It is still New Year's Day. I'm going to go around now sorting all these parts out in bags and tag them up and everything like that. And I'm just going around what I do need to order. For example, I want a new front master cylinder with switch levers, with clutch, matching clutch lever, cable type obviously, so ZX9R, R1, don't know yet. I have seen some Daytona 675, 2009 to 2011 levers with master cylinder and clutch handlebar mount. 400 quid, and they're Nissan, so they'll match the front brakes that I've got on now, front calipers, which I have already refurbished. I'll go through them at a later date. Some of that stuff needs painting or powder coating, like the bracket for the rear caliper, both of them. Stuff like that, just, I'll probably, if I do eventually go for a new master cylinder, I'll have to change the front pipes as well. So again, it's more expense. So I'm looking about 200 quid just for the front master cylinder and line. So the ignition key, the ignition barrel and fuel cap barrel, they need changing really. Get new keys for that. So that's another, what, 150 quid I bet, I don't know. I haven't looked for them. Brake pads, that was something I'll do last. So fork service, I'm going to do that a lot, probably. Well, I'll put them at the back here, aren't we? Along with the fork upgrade that I'm looking at, about 90 quid I think that is. So I'm looking about 100 quid there, because bushes are sound. So, well, as far as I'm aware, the bushes are sound. I haven't checked them this time round, but last time they were sound. Rear shock, clean that up, ready to go out for service. That's another 130 quid I bet. Carb upgrade, another 100, 200 quid, something like that. I want to go stage 1, but it's not mandatory. It's not one of them ones where I need to get it done now. They work alright. Fire up sound first gauge you saw in the first video. Chain and sprocket, again, not mandatory, that it worked fine. It just looked better if it was new. Painting the engine and fairings. Fairings will be the last job, like I say. Along with the tank, paint them. Because I want mark it out exactly how I want it. So I don't know whether they go for professional help or with the paint, that is, okay. Professional help with the paint. Got a bit of a cold, that's why I sound a bit off. And I want to do I don't know if I'm going to do the green again. I might just scuff the green up with Scotch Brite and paint over that. with the new colour that I want. Let me know in the comments if I have to go back to primer and all that bollocks. So been on about 8 months now this paint has, so let me know. I think it's 1k as well. I've got a 10 somewhere, I'll come back to you. And then I'd like to get new radiator and hoses. So looking at a couple £100 there, so it's a lot of money that I don't want to spend, but I am spending, hopefully, depending on budget. Say depending on budget, depending on allowances. Obviously new service kit for the engine. I'd like to get a new exhaust, but I can polish that up and make it look fine. Well, it's fine anyway, it looks alright now, but I could do with a nicer one that fits in with the bike, bigger one. Seat covers again, and then just other little bits and bobs like this. This what's it tank here. You can see this bit here, and it's the paint's peeling off, so I'm going to paint that again. Stuff that I can paint it, shouldn't be too hard. But headlights, they're about £180 for brand new. And if you can get a second-hand one, decent second-hand one, I'll get that. If not, I'll just have to repair it and paint the plastic to make it look like it's new. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Next episode will be something else I haven't decided on yet. I've got a couple of weeks before this one comes out, so you'll see. Right, thanks for watching. I've been Custom Tom.